Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a short video of a Porsche 987 Boxster having a KENWOOD 8021 DABS installed. As you can see here, we've got a perfect flush fitting kit from ACV, and this unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wirelessly. It's also got digital radio and FM, Bluetooth, etc. It's got 2 camera inputs as well. This also is controlled via the factory steering wheel controls, which is a really nice option with the phone and forward and back track. If you'd like to have this done in your 987, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.